Hi friends, this is Miss Hutchins, and today in math we're going to be talking about, does order matter? I have a story problem for you that I'm going to read. Jake is building with cubes. He has a tower of 2 green cubes, a tower of 5 blue cubes, and a tower of 3 yellow cubes. How many connecting cubes does he have? Now, as you can see, I have gone ahead and written multiple problems because I'm just curious if I put these cubes in different orders if I'm going to get the same answer. So when I read the problem, he did his tower of 2 green first, his tower of blue 5, and his tower of 3 yellow. So as you can see, that is my first problem. And when I solve that problem, I'm going to do 2 plus 5 first. And that is 7. So 2 plus 5 is 7. And then I have my 3 left. So I'm going to take my 7 and do 7 plus 3 equals 10. So I got 10 cubes total for that. And if I'm unsure, I can go back and count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 cubes. Now, like I said, I'm just curious if I'm going to get the same answer, so I'm going to switch it around. I'm going to do 5 first, and then 2, and then 3. So, this time, I am going to do, sorry it's blurry, it keeps trying to refocus on me. This time I'm going to do 5 plus 2 first, and that equals 7. Then I bring my 7 down, and I add my 3, and I get 7 and 3 is 10. So I did get the same answer for that one. Let's try it another way. So what if I do my tower of green first? 2 plus 3 plus 5. Let's try that way. So I'm going to do 2 and 3 first. 2 plus 3. And that is 5. Then I'm going to bring my 5 down because I've already added 2 and 3 together. I'm going to add my leftover 5. 5 plus 5 equals 10. I got 10 for that one too. Alright, let's try my last one. I'm going to put my tower of 5 first, then my tower of 3, and then my tower of 2. Do you think I'm going to get the same answer? Let's find out. I'm going to add my 5 and 3 first, and I get 8. Then I have 2 more that I still have to add, so I have 8 plus 2 equals 10. Wow, I got the same answer for all those no matter what order it was. So as you could see, there were lots of different ways to solve this problem. And we always got the same answer, which was 10. Even if the numbers were in different order. Why do you think that works, even if you change the order? Well, when I look at my cubes, no matter what order I put them in, I'm not adding any or taking any away. They stay the same. So I know even if my cubes weren't there and I just had the problems in front of me, I would know that no matter how I move them around, I'm not taking any away. They're staying the same. So these are called number strings, and number strings are similar to the problem we just solved, but there's no story, and sometimes there's 3 or sometimes there's more than 3 add-ins. And remember, add-ins are the numbers that we're adding together. So today in your math workbook, you're going to complete some number string problems, and I'm going to do a couple with you first, that way we get used to it. Okay, so the first page that we're on in your investigation math book is page 32. And it says number 3 because we didn't make you do page number 31, so don't worry about that. We're on page 32. So Jake used 6 green cubes, 8 blue cubes, and 5 yellow cubes to make a train. How many cubes did he use? So it wants us, it doesn't say it here, which is confusing. It's at the top of this page. Add the numbers in at least 2 different orders and show your work. So we're going to show our work and add them in 2 different ways, just like I showed you with the cubes before. So one easy way that we automatically know is just the order that it's in. So we're going to go ahead and write that problem. 6 plus 8 plus 5. Now, when we do 6 plus 8 plus 5, we are going to add 6 and 8 together first. And I know that I didn't do this on the other page, but whenever I'm adding numbers together like this, I like to do it this way because I think it's easier to keep up with. So I'm going to do 6 and 8. I'm going to give you a few seconds to go ahead and solve that on your own before I write it down. $14. So I have my 14, and then I know I can just drag down my 5. So I'm going to do plus 5. So I added 6 and 8 first, and then I have plus 5. So 14 plus 5. I'm going to give you a second to solve that on your own. And you should get 19. So the order that we used to do that was 6 plus 8 equals 14. And then 14 plus 5 equals 19. Now I want to give you a second to think about what is a second way you could add these together. Okay, let's do 6 plus 5 plus 8. So if I do 6 and 5 first, I know that 5 plus 5 is 10, and 6 is one more than 10, so 6 plus 5 must be 11. Plus 8 equals 11 plus 8 equals 19. So what I did there was 6 plus 5 equals 11. 11 plus 8 equals 19. Now at the bottom of the page it asks, when you change the order of the numbers, do you get the answer? Why do you think so? I want you to go ahead and answer that on your own, because I know that we talked about when we did the cubes why we get the same answer. So think back to that and go ahead and answer number 4 on your own. After you've completed number 4, you can pause the video if you need to. We're going to move to page 33, and I'm not going to do all these with you, but I do want to do a couple with you. So sometimes when you get number strings, you don't have to necessarily add left to right. You can use combinations that you already know to help you solve problems. So we've been working on our tens facts. You should have those with your fact fluency cards in your math kit that you got. So we already know that 6 and 4 is what? 10. So I've already added 6 and 4 together, and then all I have to do is add my 3 that I have left over. So 10 and 3 is 13. You see how easy that was whenever I did it that way? Let's move to number 2. 3 plus 7 plus 8. Do you see another tens fact that would be helpful? What if we did 7 and 3? Is that 10? Yeah. So 7 plus 3 is 10, and then all I have to do is add my 8. And tens fact makes it so easy. Because all I do is replace that 0 with the number that I'm adding. So 10 plus 8 is 18. Good job. All right, I'm going to do one more with you, and then I'm going to let you take over from here. So this one has 4 numbers, which looks scary, but it's really not. So we can do, first we can look for our tens facts. So let's see if we have any tens facts. 5 plus 5 is 10. And then we can look at our doubles. 7 and 7 is a double, and we should know those too from our fact cards. So 7 and 7 I automatically know is 14. So then I just add 14 and 10 together, and I get 24. I'm going to go ahead and let you finish up. You're going to complete your number string pages, and just remember to use those strategies that we talked about to do those. Thank you.